Gata chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going old school yet again at Nonna's house with the peppers and egg sandwich. All you need to make this is some peppers, eggs, a nice roll or Italian bread, or any kind of bread or no bread, some good olive oil, plus salt and pepper to taste. Feel free to switch it up, use some garlic, Italian seasoning, fresh herbs, onions. This is your meal after all. Make it however you feel. With that said, let's get cooking. Start off by roughly chopping a pepper, then heat a frying pan to medium. Once heated, add the olive oil and then the chopped peppers. Let these peppers fry in the oil while tossing for about a minute or two. This specific smell brings me back to my grandma's kitchen every single time. I can picture her, Lina Tullio Bruno Percoco, hunched over the stove cooking away. Can't get more of an Italian name than that. And the peppers, they came from her garden, and the eggs from a local farm. Grandpa had picked up the rolls from Conforti's bakery earlier that morning, after picking up his morning paper and putting in his daily numbers. Different times. I digress. Once the peppers have softened and blackened a little, crack in the egg. I think the proper way is to crack the egg into a ramekin or a bowl first, then mix it with a fork like you would an omelet, then add it to the pan. But this is how Grandma did it, so this is how I do it. Crack it in and quickly stir away with a spatula. Only hers was a wooden spoon. That was used on my backside almost as much as the frying pan. Then season it with salt and pepper or any other spices to your liking. After the eggs have cooked to the consistency of your liking, slide it right onto the roll. Feel free to drizzle on some more olive oil at this point, but I just tuck right in. Some heathens add ketchup at this point too, but you might get kicked out of the house for doing that, so keep in mind, choices have consequences. Simple, inexpensive, and delicious. Miss you, Grandma. Ti amo. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!